Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use a knit tally. A knit tally is a small, invaluable tool that helps knitters keep accurate count of their rows or stitches. It ensures your projects stay on track, preventing mistakes and making complex patterns much more manageable. This simple device, often featuring a clicker or digital display, is essential for maintaining consistency. Mastering this tool will significantly enhance your knitting experience and accuracy. There are several types of knit tallies available to suit different preferences. Manual clicker tallies are perhaps the most traditional, offering a satisfying tactile click with each row counted. Digital tallies provide a clear display and often include features like memory for multiple counts or a quick reset button. For those who prefer to keep their tally right on their work, ring tallies slide onto your knitting needle, making them incredibly convenient. Using your knit tally is straightforward. After you complete an entire row of knitting, simply advance the counter by one click or press the button on a digital tally. This ensures an accurate record of your progress. When you begin a new pattern repeat or a different section of your project, remember to reset the tally back to 0. For very intricate designs, consider using a stitch marker in conjunction with your tally for extra precision. To get the most out of your knit tally, integrate it seamlessly into your knitting routine. Always keep it within easy reach, perhaps clipped to your project bag or yarn, so you never miss a count. For projects with multiple sections or different stitch patterns, using 2 or even 3 separate tallies can be incredibly helpful. Finally, make it a habit to periodically compare your tally count with your pattern instructions to ensure everything aligns perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.